Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera grid lines and leveler on your iPhone 16e. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the settings, then scroll down to the camera section, click on the camera section, and then down here under composition you'll find grid and level. So grid is the camera lines, grid lines, and the level is basically will show the leveler on your camera. So if you now enable the camera, as you can see, there is now a grid, and there's also this little like plus icon on the bottom that shows the level. So if you align it, it's going to look like this, and it means it's leveled. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.